All right, everybody, what's up? So the 2024 KTM Enduro range has dropped. The KTM Facebook page, their social media, they've already made a post on the new 2024s. The North America, the USA social media doesn't seem to ever post at the same time or on time at all when the new models come out. But here we are on the KTM website, and we have United States selected right here because obviously that's going to differ. That's going to make the models differ, right? The XCW is going to be United States. The EXCs are going to be, everywhere else. But we hit Explore two-stroke, and I'm telling you, whoever handles this website, they need to maybe get somebody else to do this, because every time there's a new bike release, this happens. So we see a 300 EXC 2024 new gen, right? Obviously the new bike, but there are no EXCs in the US. And then all the other bikes under this section are XCWs 2023s, which makes no sense whatsoever. None of it does. I have no clue what they're doing, why they can't simply upload these images, but click on that 300 EXC, and I mean, it does look like the new bike, obviously. The graphics of the pictures we've seen, and I've seen some pictures of these before, but this is the first one I've seen with the oil injection tube at the top. I don't know if the race team just doesn't run it, or if some of the other photos they have, it wasn't on there. I'm not sure, but we can clearly see it in that photo, which is great. That's the most exciting confirmation to me. There is another good photo of it there. It's wild to me how convoluted all the communication is on this website. I couldn't find a single spot where it really talked about the forks. Maybe I'm missing it. It talked about the shock. It talks about the triple clamp, and it shows a picture of the fork. Okay, WP. Okay, there it is. I couldn't find that earlier. So yeah, we confirmed that we're not getting the Explorer. We are getting the new closed cartridge exact and a new PDS shock and all that. So pretty much everything Enduro Builds put on his Instagram has appeared to be absolutely correct. The oil injection is the most exciting thing to me. I'd still like some confirmation on a higher output stator and a heavier flywheel and all that, because that's everything. It's going to affect the way it is. But excited about the oil injection and the LED headlight more than anything. Now, if you haven't watched this video yet, I would say you go over to the KTM social media or the site here and watch this video, because these two guys are riding these EXCs through this old abandoned town somewhere in Europe, and it's pretty sweet. They do some really cool stuff. We also did confirm we're getting the 150 XCW, the 250 XCW, and the 300 XCW. Now if we go to the 4-stroke section, we've got an EXCF 2024, no picture at all. Same for the 350. They also still show the 2023s here. Let's click on this 2024 EXCF. Okay. Clearly is the updated bike. That looks good. That really looks good, guys. And you 4-stroke guys will be pumped to know that even the 4-stroke EXCs will get the WP exact closed cartridge for it. So yeah, the good news is we're getting pretty much everything the way we thought we were getting it. And I will update you guys on anything else I find out here in the next coming days about details. On my biggest question right now is transmissions, and although they confirmed it's a 6-speed on the 300XC, I don't know anything else. So if anybody does, maybe you can leave it in the comments. But I think that bike looks great. I like the graphics over the XC models way better. I don't know. What do you guys think?